Hello and welcome to part 2 of syncing AB Tutor with your Active Directory. In the last video, I covered syncing an AB Tutor group with an AD OU. Today, I'm going to talk about automatically creating your console users. This means that when someone joins your organisation, if you've put them in the appropriate OU, they can automatically be set up as a console user with no further action from the admin. We'll start by logging into the server again, going to Server Settings and Sync. Once again, click Create to make a new sync job, but this time select Users. As before, the sync name can be set to anything you like, it's just there to allow you to easily identify the sync job. The check frequency can be set as appropriate, and as before, setting it to 0 means it will only run when manually triggered. Enter your domain, a base DN if required, and then click Browse and choose your OU to sync against. The LDAP filter is especially useful here, as it can allow you to pick out only the users who are in a specific security group, rather than creating a user for everyone in that OU. Once this is configured, click Next. This page allows you to set what type of user you are creating. For this example, I want to ensure that any new teaching staff are added as console users, so I choose console user and then set them as policy creators and policy users. I don't want to have to manually set passwords for all of my console users, so I leave the next box ticked. This means that AB Tutor will use the user's AD credentials to log in. This also means that the users don't have to remember an extra password. The client options aren't relevant for console users, so I'll skip that, and finally I shall also leave Delete Users that are no longer found ticked, as I want to ensure that anyone who leaves is automatically removed when their AD user is deleted or moved to another OU. I can now click Create to save my changes and create the new sync job. As with the device sync from before, the user sync appears in the list along with the information about its last run. I can run the job manually and see how many users are added. If I add a new user in Active Directory and then run the sync again, you can see that it has picked up the change and synced an additional user. The same process can be used to create a sync job for console and web administrators as well. However, we strongly recommend that you manually create at least one web admin with a username that won't be overwritten by a sync job, just in case a mistake is made with the sync and all of your admins have their admin access removed. I hope that tells you everything you need to know about setting up user group syncs. I'll be talking about syncing devices from security groups next week, but if you have any questions, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll do whatever we can to help. Thanks for watching.